Greetings fellow gamers, and welcome back to my channel, where I explore the vast realms of gaming and bring you the latest treasures from our tabletop world. I am thrilled to be your guide today as we embark on this exciting journey, showcasing an incredible new Kickstarter project that combines the artistry of the miniatures with the immersive RPG experience of Saga. And today I'll be reviewing some miniatures they have sent me for printing. So let's get stuck in. As you may already know, Saga is an RPG that has been capturing the hearts and imagination of gamers worldwide. It is a game renowned for its captivating storytelling, accessible rules, and now its stunning miniatures, crafted by the talented artists at CeleSTL Minis. I couldn't be more excited to share this experience with you all. Let's look at these minis. The level of detail is simply breathtaking. Each piece sculpted with such a care and precision by Brian and Jeff of CeleSTL Minis, truly bringing the characters and creatures of Saga to life, from the heroic warriors to the menacing adversaries. The miniatures perfectly embody the spirit of the game in the captivating world. There was minimum cleanup after removing the supports. Now it's time to roll up our sleeves and bring these miniatures to life with a touch of paint. While I begin the painting process, let me tell you more about Saga and CeleSTL Minis, and what makes this such an extraordinary RPG experience. Saga's rules are streamlined, allowing players to jump into action swiftly and without confusion. With fewer than 100 pages of rules, is a testament to the game's focus on getting you to the table and immersing yourself in epic quests that await. The skill system in Saga is concise and intuitive, making it a breeze to navigate. Expertise adds a layer of depth, offering specific bonuses and rewards players for utilizing their skills strategically. The magic system, it is truly enchanting. Saga mana system taps into the energies of both the characters and the world around them. Say goodbye to spell slots and memorization. If you know the spells and have the mana, you can unleash your character's magical powers in thrilling and unexpected ways. But what truly sets Saga apart is the Saga Point mechanic. This ingenious addition empowers players to earn bonuses for engaging in fun and creative actions, allowing them to shape the narrative and guide their own heroic story. It's a game changer that keeps every game session fresh and exciting and filled with memorable moments. The figure that I'm painting up above is a human wielder. Humans within the vast realms of Uteria. The human faction shines above all as an epitome of diversity. With an average lifespan of 60 years, humans possess a remarkable adaptability and resilience. Legends speak of the kingdom of Awesome, where humans experience even longer lives due to the infusion of magic, and the advantage of medicines resulting in reduced disease and improved health. The human population of Uteria was decimated by a catastrophic war that took place over 700 years ago. However, the resilience of the human spirit has led to a remarkable resurgence in recent times. This resurgence has breathed new life into the land of Uteria, forging a path of hope and rejuvenation. In the world of Saga, humans find themselves interacting with enigmatic wildest, the wild mages of Atheles. Unlike humans who rely on formal training and discipline, wildest possess an innate connection to magic. This untrained and undisciplined nature sets a stage for both collaboration and conflict between the two factions, as they navigate the complexities of Uteria's ever-changing landscape. As players delve into the immersed world of Saga, the human faction promises to be an engaging journey, filled with challenges, triumph, and exploration of rich and evolving realm. Now for the next model I'll be painting up. As you can see, this is an elf rogue from CeleSTL Minis for the game Saga. In the realm of Uteria, the mystical beings formerly known as Elfrin, or elf cousins to the elves, have graced this realm for eons with their fray presence. Each elfling possesses a unique identity, yet there are certain traits that unite most adventurers among them. When the elflings feel a deep calling to explore the vast wonders of the world, they embark on their calling. During this extraordinary phase, they find it challenging to remain in one place for too long. Therefore, their campaign centers in a single location would offer players remarkable roleplay opportunities to inspire the group to venture forth, discover new realms, and avoid the confines of stagnation. If the adventure unfolds within a sprawling metropolis like Sea Haven, the Elfins will immerse themselves in exploring every hidden nook and cranny before their insatiable curiosity urges them to move on. Although Elflings may be small in stature, they exude mirthful vibes. It is crucial not to dismiss them as mere sources of comic relief. They perceive themselves as vital participants in the grand game of life in Uteria, as the wider universe rarely succumbs to pettiness. Even when assuming the guise of a thief, an Elfling's motivations extend beyond personal gain. Rather, they view themselves as agents of primordial chaos of creation. It is not uncommon for an Elfling to pilfer an item only to relocate it elsewhere, watching with delight as confusion ensues. Such is the gravity of their endeavors. On the flip side, Elfins possess an exquisite appreciation for humor, pranks, and joviality. This penchant for amusement may occasionally vex their fellow party members, but their natural charisma often ensures they remain cherished within the group dynamic. Furthermore, their selflessness proves to be an invaluable asset to any adventuring party. They harbor no qualms about putting themselves at risk to protect others, driven not solely for heroism or mortality, but also for an insatiable curiosity about the mechanisms of the universe. Should an Elfling accompany companions for an extended duration, an unbreakable bond forms, transforming the group into a nomadic family. Individuals propelled together by the cosmic forces of their respective callings. This profound connection compels the Elfling to go above and beyond to safeguard and aid those within the bond. While this loyalty endears them to their companions, their inclination to find trouble can occasionally tip the scales in the opposite direction. With limited understanding of or distaste for the human concept of ownership and control, Elflings often clash with constables and nobles, further fueling their misadventures. CeleSTL Minis stand out as a testament to the power of friendship, creativity, and the fusion of traditional art and modern technology. Founded by Nashville natives Brian and Jeff, this Kickstarter project embodies their lifelong passion for the art and their relentless pursuit for pushing creative boundaries. Recognizing the potential of digital sculpting and 3D printing, Brian and Jeff eagerly embrace these technological advancements. This new tool expanded their creativity and expression, enabling them to push their boundaries beyond what traditional means could achieve. By leveraging their collective experiences in both traditional and digital sculpting, they have created CeleSTL Minis, a venture that merges the best of both worlds. CeleSTL Minis' inaugural collection embodies their dedication to detail, quality, and artistic vision. Each miniature is meticulously sculpted with love, passion, and a profound understanding of the craft. Ranging from the mystical creatures to historic figures, their diverse selection transports collectors to captivating worlds, inviting them to embark on an imaginative journey and unravel stories throughout the exquisite sculpted forms. At its core, CeleSTL Minis is a project born from celebration of art and friendship, and the boundless possibilities of creativity. Brian and Jeff's passion for their crafts shines through every piece they create, sparking joy, inspiration, imagination, and installing a sense of wonder among hobbyists, gamers, and art enthusiasts alike. So whether you're a collector, a gamer, or simply an admirer of fine art, CeleSTL Minis warmly invite you to join them on their journey. They offer an immersive experience that transports you into a world brimming with imagination and wonder. As they continue to redefine the boundaries of miniature art, CeleSTL Minis promises to captivate and inspire all who venture into their realm. Thank you all for joining me on this immersive journey into the world of Saga and the incredible miniatures from CeleSTL Minis. Before I bid you farewell, I have some thrilling news to share with you. As of recording this part of the video, I'm absolutely excited to announce that CeleSTL Minis has not only achieved but surpassed their Kickstarter goal only one day. Can you believe it? Their stunning miniatures have captured the hearts of gamers and collectors worldwide. And the support from the community has been nothing short of phenomenal. But the adventure doesn't end there. There's still time to join in on this remarkable journey. Head over to Saga's Kickstarter page and become a part of this epic quest by backing this project. You'll not only secure your own set of awe-inspiring miniatures, but you'll also contribute and continue the success of Saga and CeleSTL Minis. I'll leave links to the Kickstarter and CeleSTL Minis Instagram in the video description below. Please make sure you check them out and show your support to these incredible talented artists. And with that thrilling news, we come to the end of this adventure. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more exciting game content. Until next time, may your rolls be critical, your brushes be true, and your gaming experience be filled with wonder and excitement. Happy gaming, adventurers!